The Managing Chronic Pain workshop series at the Hamilton Family Health Team is a group of workshops, and it's free to anybody in the community, focusing on pain management and improving quality of life for people who are living with chronic pain. It would be useful for anybody who has a chronic pain condition, so that may include fibromyalgia, rheumatoid arthritis or other autoimmune conditions, osteoarthritis, long-standing back or neck pain, as well as any other condition that you may have where you've experienced the pain for several months or longer. Each session has a different topic of focus that is led by a different healthcare provider within our health team, and it includes topics from physiotherapists, mental health counselors, dietitians, as well as pharmacists. And the wonderful thing about the workshop series is that you as the patient have the autonomy, the control to choose if you want to join one session of a topic that interests you most, or if you want to join all of the sessions within the workshop to get a more well-rounded understanding of the management strategies for pain. I think joining the chronic pain management series is a great way to learn about recommendations across the spectrum of healthcare from a variety of different healthcare providers, and it gives an abundance of options. It lays everything out on the table for patients so that they can pick and choose what strategies are most important or most valuable for them. It also allows for some social interaction because it brings together people who have different lived experiences, and it allows people to provide personal anecdotes or stories about their lived experiences with chronic pain, which is invaluable, and you definitely don't get that as readily with one-on-one sessions with a healthcare provider.